This video will show you how to record internet radios to MP3 using free and easy software. Free Sound Recorder. Step 1. Adjust recording settings. First, you need to click Show Mixer Window button. Select the sound card and choose Stereo Mix as sound source. If you can't find Stereo Mix, right-click the speaker icon and select Recording Devices. Right-click on a white space in the activated window, and select Show Disabled Devices. After you choose the correct recording source, adjust the volume as needed. Click Options to adjust recording settings. In General Settings tab, you can specify the output format. Choose MP3 as the output format. Click Settings to adjust the recording quality by presets. Or, manually adjust the parameters. Click Change to choose the output folder. It can automatically name the recording by date and time. Step 2. Start recording. After everything is set, just start the internet radio that you want to record. If the audio recorder has detected the audio signals, you can see the variation of the wave pattern. Click the red button to start recording. You can pause and continue recording if you want. Stop the recording when you have recorded what you want. Click Show File List window, and you will see the new recording is listed. You can play the recording with the built-in player. It also allows you to enhance the current recording by free audio editor program. Now, you have successfully recorded the internet radios to MP3.